بھائی جان تھوڑا پیچھے جو بھائی جان تھوڑا پیچھے
for us to request our worthy chancellor to launch the website of logo on the right side. It explains several 5 SDGs that are directly linked with climate change, like life on land, sustainable cities and communities, and climate action, life on land, and most important, collaboration. I mean partnership on all these goals. These are our partner core team members, including advisors that Ashik Ahmed Khan. So you were asking about him. He is Wajid Nasik Jadoi. We have more than 57 partners. All, I mean, many universities from Punjab, even AGK and Balochistan and Sindh. There are so many universities and to work in collaboration or inter-universities consortium. Here is the detail about several our international collaborators from almost 20 different countries. The most important is our collaborator from Toronto. They are working on climate and health issues. And the further, there are 20 countries, including Japan, USA, Turkey, UK, Nepal, Egypt.